Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome to my channel. Today is a little bit different than what I normally do, where I talk about makeup. Today I'm talking about hair. In the past I did a video on the Conair Unbound. It sort of pulls your hair up in it and then pops out a curl. I had the plug-in version and then I got a cordless version, and I did a video struggling through the first time using that with you, and then I did another video once I figured it out. I still enjoy that product. However, I have a new toy that I am playing with that I was fortunate enough to get as a holiday present before the holiday, and I've been playing with it and I wanted to show you how I do my hair with it today. It is the Shark Flexstyle. I'm going to show you the different attachments that I got. I'm going to show you the lazy way that I do my hair. So if that sounds like fun, just keep watching. I washed my hair yesterday and used the curler in my hair yesterday. I have done nothing to my hair today as of yet. In a normal situation, I probably would dampen the hair and just update it a little bit in here to head out, just to reaffirm those curls. But honestly, I would be happy with this right now as well. I would go out with this hair. I think it looks smooth. It doesn't look frizzy. I am not really the pin straight kind of hair kind of gal. My hair is either very curly or the big waves, but I would be happy with this if I had to run out the door right now. But I'm going to wet it. I'm going to start over and I'm going to show you how I use that air styler in the quickest, laziest way possible so that you can get those curls and get out the door. Okay, found a plug. Sorry if the lighting is different. I had to rearrange some stuff so my ring light is not on anymore. Hopefully you can see me just fine. I'm going to re-wet my hair. I have a little water bottle here. I think I want to get one of those nice, really nice ones from Amazon that just go shh. But this will work for now. And you, like I said, you don't want your hair to be soaking wet. You just want it to be damp. And then when I washed my hair yesterday, what I did was I used a little bit of this hair oil. This is from Beauty Bay. This is the Hair Serum Smooth and Shine. I just put a little bit of that on. And then when I blow dry my hair, I like to use a protectant. And this is from Prep Rally. It is the Prime and Prep Detangler. And I just spray a little bit of this on. Focus on the ends. It smells nice. And that's going to protect the hair. Now I'm going to show you the lazy way. I'm going to split my hair like this so that I can work on the back and bottom layer first. Just a nice clippy claw you can use. Isn't that beautiful? And I'm going to wet it just a little bit more. And now, lazy way. This is the right airflow, and this is how you can use it straight. It's got an on and off switch, it's got heat 1 2 3, and it's got blower 1 2 3, and then this is the cool shot, which is going to be important when you're setting that curl. So on the right side, like I said, lazy way, I'm going to turn this on, and I have the heat on high and the blower on high. I just leave it like that. And what I'll do is I'll grab small pieces of hair and let it pull around the air blower, let it sit for about 10 seconds, and then I hit the air shot for about 10 seconds. And you'll see me do the right side right now. And then I hold the curl there for just a second. So I'm gonna continue going around. I have my hair split down the back. I'm gonna continue this side. So here is this side, and you'll notice that I sort of keep it separated so that more hair doesn't get pulled into that coil as that air is blowing, it could pull everything in, and the more hair, the less perfect the curl. You want to think pieces. So on the back here, there's a button that you can press and it turns, which is great when you're using it as a hair dryer. If you're using it as a hair dryer, there you go, and it's super strong. But I'm going to show you how I do the left side of my head using the right barrel, so it just saves me time not switching. I'm going to dampen the hair again just a little bit, because that teensy bit of dampness does help with the curl. So do you see that? I just go like this, and then I don't have to switch barrels. You notice me pull the hair down. You have to be very careful. This is very warm, so do that at your own discretion, but I like to do that. I'm sure you could use one of those gloves too. So here's the whole bottom done. Now I'm gonna let this clip out and I'm gonna do the top. And you can see my natural curls starting to kick in there. You can let your hair split wherever you want. I've just been letting it split right down the middle. I'm gonna spray a little more water and a little bit more of that heat protectant. And now I'm gonna hit this button and turn it back up, and then I'm gonna do this side. Now this side is done, and we can go in and perfect any places that we think look a little frizzy, or like I could go back in right now and fix this spot. And just think pieces. And then I'm gonna hit this little button to turn. Oops, that's gonna take it off. This button right here to turn it. And now, lazy way, let's do this side. I am going to show you how I do my bangs. So I'm going to take this part right here. It feels very bouncy and smooth and detangled. Hopefully you can see it. And then sometimes I do put a little bit of like a leave-in conditioner. This is a smoothing cream from Bedhead. I have the Bum Bum leave-in conditioner. Sometimes I'll put that in the ends just to leave it smooth and healthy looking. And then I'll spray a little bit of hairspray. I'm a big sexy hair. This is the Spray and Play Harder. I for sure will say that I absolutely love this product. I love the fact that there's a button to make it turn. I love that I can do it lazy and just use one barrel for the right and left side. I love that this is a cool spot, by the way. If you do have sensitive fingers, you can always touch right there. That this comes off and I can use it as a blow dryer. The diffuser, it was the first time I've ever used the diffuser. It is very cool. I was upside down and I just pressed up while I was upside down, and I'll list the gel that I used with the diffuser because it's a really good one as well. And this diffuser adjusts. There's a button on the side that From what I read, if you make these go out further, you'll get more volume. If you make these go in, you'll get less heat. And you can adjust the heat and the blower settings. Remember, I'm showing you the lazy way. The brush is right here. Don't judge me if it's hairy. And for the brush, I believe I don't have it turned for the brush. I just sort of, when my hair is soaking wet, I will bring this through my hair, and then if I get lazy, take this and just do the lazy blow. And it is a nice blow dryer. Got a lot of power. I do not own the Dyson Airwrap. Let me know if you own it, if you love it, if you use it all the time. I can see myself using this constantly. The biggest drawbacks, I would say, is that I don't have a case, so I have been keeping it in the box. I need to find a case that I can keep all of these things in. I could just have this and the one barrel. I don't have to use all the other accessories, which is one of the beautiful things about it. I love that it turns. I don't think that you could get away with using the one barrel with the Dyson, because the Dyson doesn't bend over like that. Now, I have heard that Dyson did come out with a newer version of their Airwrap, and there's a button that can switch direction. That's lovely and very convenient, very smart of Dyson to do that. But now you're gonna pay $600 for the product. If you wanna pay $259, $249, I think when my husband bought it, I believe it was $249. There was a 10 or 15% off coupon if you signed up for Dyson's emails. And then of course we used Rakuten, which if you are shopping online, please sign up for Rakuten. I always leave my link in the description box. It is free and you get money back. It is a safe website to use. All of your online shopping, go through Rakuten, and then it takes you to those websites and you get cash back. I think it's every quarter, I get a notification saying, hey, we just put in $50 in your PayPal. We put $20. It's just so nice to get that cash back. Everything will be listed in the description box below, including the makeup that is on my face. I actually just did this video. This will be Saturday's video. If you didn't see it, I will link it. Same look, red lip, different shirt, multitasking, right? My niece's bridal shower is tomorrow, and I have to be on top of when it is the right time to film. But I've been wanting to do this. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe if you've not subscribed already. Hit the thumbs up if you had a great time, and I will see you in my next one. Have a great day.